In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Photoshop CS6 by exploring the 10 key things beginners want to know how to do. First, to kick things off, let's visit the Adobe Photoshop website. This is your hub for all official software downloads and resources. Here you can access additional tutorials and community forums for support. Now we'll move on to opening and accessing photos. Adobe Bridge is an incredibly handy utility that helps you organize and open your photos efficiently from the folders right on your computer. It's a great way to keep your digital workspace tidy and accessible. Next, let's delve into removing blemishes. The Spot Healing Brush tool is your go-to for quick removal of imperfections such as blemishes or stray hairs. Simply paint over the areas you want to correct, adjusting the brush size and softness as needed for optimal results. Filters can dramatically alter the look and feel of your image, and Photoshop CS6 offers a versatile range. For example, you can use the oil paint filter for an artistic effect, or the liquify filter to subtly push and pull pixels, which can be useful for smoothing something like a hairline. Understanding layers is crucial in Photoshop. Think of them as a series of transparent sheets stacked on top of your original photo. When you paint or edit on a new layer, you don't alter the original, allowing for easy adjustments. And of course, layers can be hidden or deleted, offering non-destructive editing capabilities. Similarly, adjustment layers allow for non-destructive edits to things like exposure. You can apply these selectively with masks, enabling you to make nuanced changes such as brightening just a person's face while leaving the rest of the image untouched. When it comes to removing objects from photos, begin by making a selection around the item using the Quick Selection tool. The content-aware fill then helps blend the removed area with surrounding pixels. Cleanup with the patch tool ensures a polished result. For moving objects within photos, the Content-Aware Move tool is highly effective. This tool lets you cut and relocate objects seamlessly within an image, followed by refining any edges or remnants with additional patching and healing techniques. If you're interested in compositing, changing backgrounds is a cool skill to master. After opening two images, use selection tools along with Refine Edge to neatly isolate your subject. After placing your subject into a new background, tweak lighting and colors with adjustment layers for a cohesive and realistic look. Adding text is straightforward with the text tool. You can easily add, resize, color, and reposition text, and it will reside on its own layer. Adobe Photoshop even lets you add style to text with effects like drop shadows for an enhanced appearance. Finally, knowing how to save your work is crucial. Save your project as a PSD to preserve all details and layers. For sharing your work online or through email, using the Save for Web option allows you to export optimized images in formats such as JPEG. With these essentials in your toolkit, you're well on your way to mastering the basics of Photoshop CS6. Happy editing!